Hello, I'm Vadani Ariyam. I'm going to talk about charity accounting. There are lots of charities out there. People will have to learn to do the accounts for the charities. I thought this video will be of little help for that. A charity is an organization which has to be benefit to the public. It can be a charity educating underprivileged, removing the poverty, or even with the help with the health issues. All in all, it has to be established for the public benefit. Charities will have to set up according to the laws laid by the Charity Commission, and it cannot make profits. The excess money charity has earned has to go towards for the purpose that is set up. There will be employed staff, volunteers, the managerial staff, volunteer trustees to monitor the charity. The charity accounting. Charities will have to prepare the following set of accounts: annual accounts, annual report, submit the annual return to the Charity Commission. Annual accounts. The staff or a volunteer could make the yearly accounts, but the proper accounting systems have to be implemented. The following accounts records have to maintain: purchase ledger, sales ledger, nominal ledger, bank accounts and bank accounts reconciliations on the monthly basis, payroll, make payments to HMRC, receipts and payment records, accruals, deferred income, independent examiners report or audit report. Some small charities do not require audit, but they have to have an independent examiner to examine their accounts. Annual report. This report will include all the charitable activities to a particular period. Trustees prepare the annual report. The events stated in the story helps the people understand what the charity does to benefit the public. The annual report mentions the funders, list of donors stated in the report. A charity has to put together the accounts of the annual report to submit to the Charity Commission. Submit annual return to Charity Commission. There are different types of requirements for small, medium and large charities. If your charity is registered with the Companies House, you need to submit annual accounts to Companies House and the Charity Commission. The annual return includes the following: your charity's yearly income for the current financial year, total assets owned by the charity, whether your charity is an independent one or part of another charity. The trustees of the charity should be able to understand what type of accounts need to prepare. What information needed for the charities for the annual report. Whether the charity's accounts need an independent examination or an audit is required. Then what information is sent to the Charity Commission. Send your annual accounts and report to the Charity Commission within 10 months of the end of the charity's financial year. If you want transparency of your charity's work, you could send these reports before the stipulated period. If you want transparency of charity's work, you could send these reports before the stipulated period. So the Charity Commission will make it public, then the people who are interested can view it. That will also help. Publishing the accounts before the stipulated period will also help the fundraisers in the form of people are looking at the reports and they are convinced this is a charity, and it will help the fundraiser to prepare the funding applications. That way the funding can be raised. I hope these tips are good enough. It's not much, but these tips are good enough to have an idea of charity accounting. But to do the actual accounts, you need to have accounting knowledge and charity accounting knowledge. but the soap and other things you have to know. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye for now. I'll see you in another one. Thank you.